As today is our megastar's birthday, as fans, we must have to invest our time, that is present moment, in our growth, future, in our future growth, success, and happiness. So, as today is megastar's 66th birth anniversary, we should reflect on the root qualities of megastar, try to inculcate these in our day-to-day life. The number one quality of a megastar is dedication. His dedication towards his career makes him megastar. He invested most of his time for his career progression. He is so focused in his work and always put his diligent efforts to give his best to improve the standards and quality of his performance. Second quality is passion. His dedication comes from sheer passion. He has been performing such difficult and strenuous fights, sequels, and dance sequences, not because of he has to, but because he wants to. His passion to put in long hours of practice and so many years of disciplined life to finesse his acting skills bear fruits. Next is diplomacy. Knowing and understanding others' beliefs, interests, and skills, and to synergize for common goals, public interests, give others a feeling of sense of importance, to touch their hearts, to connect and contribute for the success of common goals. This quality helped him to become a hero from zero in movies, whereas this quality made him zero from hero in mudslinging politics. Next is responsibility. His responsibility towards his family and society is immense. He provides, protects family's interests, and use his fame and money to help the needy. He has facilitated his brothers and in laws and their children as well to enter the industry and support for their progress in their career. He rescued his daughter from a wrongful marriage and gave better life after remarriage. We, as the fans of Megastar, if we only follow his movies and videos about him rather than following his footsteps, we, through implementing the above qualities in our day to day life, will be wasting our lives as fanatics. A good follower can be a good leader. So, as good followers of Megastar, we must follow the above qualities of Megastar to become one like him in our chosen career and life. That is the message which I want to give. Thank you.